Hi, namaste. My brand is Beryl Jewelry and I'm the co-founder of the brand. My name is Disha Shah. We are here from Mumbai, India, and the design has always been a part of our lives through maybe clothing or designing jewelry. It was always DIY for us, that is do it yourself. We would be scrolling down magazines and then going to the tailor or going to the craftsman, and that's how the whole seed of the thought kind of progressed, and then now we are a couple of decades later. So it's been around 8 to 9 years, and before that it was more of jewelry, designing for relatives, designing for friends, and it got converted into a full-fledged work. This collection is very close to my heart because it has its inspiration from the clothing handicraft of Patola. So Patola comes down from our hometown in Patan, which is in Gujarat, again in India. And because we have our lineage from Patan, it was somewhere just belonging to connect jewelry with the designs that are there in Patola. So trying to incorporate the geometrical designs, the animals that they use, because this is an age-old tradition and it's all handcrafted. So we tried to create that into jewelry and give our way of some form of respect or ode to that handicraft culture. So Beryl mostly kind of really believes that jewelry always fits. So apart from that, jewelry is an emotion and it is passed down from generation to generation. It should also be a part of who you are, an extension of your personality. So we try to incorporate based on the personality as well as an emotion, because every milestone you want to celebrate it by getting a small trinket of jewelry. And the fact that a part of jewelry lives in everybody's house just is our way of spreading love. So I think for every designer, expression is the most important, and let your story be your asset and an inspiration for your expression.